Hi, I'm Neil with Revit Auto, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the idler pulley, tensioner pulley, and serpentine belt on a 2010 Ford Explorer. The first step is to remove the serpentine belt. This is easily done by attaching a 3/8 inch socket onto the tensioner as shown. If necessary, use a long pipe to add leverage. Once tension is relieved, slip the belt off of one of the pulleys. Now the belt is ready for removal. Next, go ahead and remove the 15mm bolt that holds the idler pulley on. This idler pulley is loosened by turning it counterclockwise. It may help to unbolt the electronic fan clutch from the coil pack area. This will allow you to move the fan clutch assembly out of the way slightly to make way for the idler. Compare the old part to the new part to make sure the diameter and offset are the same. In this case, both are the same, but the appearance of the two parts are slightly different. Go ahead and install the new part now by reusing the hardware from the original. The pulley should not have any play, but should still be able to spin freely. Next, we're going to remove the tensioner pulley. This bolt also comes out counterclockwise. Save the bolt for reinstallation of the new tensioner. Note the orientation of the peg. The tensioner should only fit in one orientation. You may have to rotate it slightly before it locks into place. Go ahead and tighten that bolt up now. Once the tensioner is installed, it's time to install the serpentine belt. A belt routing diagram for every engine offered on this vehicle should be displayed somewhere under the hood of the vehicle. If the vehicle was upfitted with auxiliary belt-driven accessories, consult the manufacturer of the equipment for the proper routing diagram. For the 4-liter V6, I like to start on the driver's side and work my way over to the tensioner. The objective is to get the belt routed on every pulley except the idler. Once the majority of the belt's routed, you can relieve tension on the tensioner and slip the serpentine belt under the idler pulley. Then make sure the belt is properly seated on all ribbed pulleys. If the belt is out of alignment on a ribbed pulley, it is unlikely that it will reseat itself. This could ultimately cause the belt to prematurely fail or come off completely, which in turn could leave you stuck on the side of the road. Once everything looks good, go ahead and start the engine, make sure everything routes properly. If you no longer hear any squeaks or bearing noises, your serpentine belt and pulley should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, happy motoring.